Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cybersecurity with Norton, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage cybersecurity with Norton, begin by downloading the Norton software from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, open Norton by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. Sign into your Norton account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Review the security status displayed, which shows the current protection level. To run a quick scan, click the Scan option on the dashboard. If any threats are detected, follow the prompts to resolve them. For a more thorough check, select the Full System Scan option. This will take a longer time but will thoroughly check your entire system. While the scan is running, check for features on the dashboard you might not have explored. Access settings to customize your security preferences. Ensure that real-time protection is enabled for maximum security. Consider enabling Smart Firewall to monitor incoming and outgoing traffic. Next, set up identity theft protection by clicking on the relevant section. Follow the prompts to input personal information securely. You can also activate the VPN feature for safe browsing. To ensure your software stays updated, go to Live Update. This will check for the latest security updates and patches. Schedule regular scans by navigating to the Settings section again. Set reminders for periodic reviews of your security settings. If you encounter issues, visit the Help section for troubleshooting options. Norton also offers a mobile application for extra security on the go. Download the app from your device's App Store for added protection. Regularly check your Norton dashboard for any alerts or recommendations. By following these steps, you'll maintain a strong cybersecurity posture with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.